Hi, welcome to Namika Flower Creation. Today I will show you how to make handmade greeting card for Eid Mubarak. You will require green paper with this measurement. Fold the paper like this. Now, we will make moon shape to decorate this Ramadan craft. Prepare your round paper with this measurement and draw the moon shape. Carry it out and trace the moon shape into your card. It is very easy to make, right? Just roll and glue to the card. Then prepare green paper to make leaf. Just draw the leaf shape in paper and carry it out. Your handmade card almost done. I will like decorate more with stars for more Eid Mubarak and Ramadan vibes. Here, I'm also cut small rectangle paper to writing down my Eid Mubarak wish. And this is the final result. Very simple and easy to make Eid Mubarak greeting card. What do you think about this tutorial? Please give me feedback by like and comment. Here my recommendation for more Ramadan craft. Thanks for watching and see you on next video.